Welcome back, future medicos. The management quota counseling for Tamil Nadu private self-financing colleges is starting tomorrow, that is 11 January 2021 at 2 p.m. It includes the general management seats, it includes the NRI lapsed seats, and it also includes the minority category seats in the self-financing medical colleges. So you can see here, this is a reallotment as well as allotment. That means candidates who have taken seats in round one can come for counseling and upgrade their seats. They can move to other colleges. So this reallotment will happen only for candidates who have joined in round one. In case if you did not attend round one, you are not eligible for round two. But of course, if you are lower ranks and you are not called for counseling, or even before you go, the certain seats has been closed, then you can attend round two. But when seats are available and you did not attend or you did not take the seat, then you are ineligible for round two. Now, when is the counseling starts? It starts on 11 January, 2 p.m. And general rank 1 to general rank 2360, they can attend the counseling at 2 p.m. And then from 12th January, 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., there are 3 slots. And depending on your rank, you can attend from general rank 2361 to 4381. This is management quota general rank. Tamil Nadu management quota general rank. Look at that. And you can also see the marks here. And then 11 a.m., general rank 4382 to 6418, right? So you can see the schedule here. And then they have called all the candidates until general rank 14,276 until marks 113. That means all the candidates have been called for, and depending on the vacancy, you can take a seat either in MBBS or in BDS. Now let us look at the seat matrix. How many seats are available for round 2 management quota counseling? First of all, looking at BDS, there are 624 seats available under BDS. And if you look at MBBS, there are totally 395 seats available. And in addition to that, there will be about 38 seats will be added tomorrow after NRI counseling. Because there are 38 seats that are going into NRI counseling tomorrow 1 p.m. And those seats are offered only for candidates who took seats in round 1 and they are going to upgrade. So basically, if they upgrade, what happens? There will be vacancies in some other college. So basically, those 38 seats will be coming back as NRI lapsed seats to the management counseling. So 395 plus 38. So we are looking at about 433 seats that will be on offer for candidates who are going for management counseling. So now let's look at individual breakdown. So if you look at MBBS general management category, which are offered officially at 12.5 lakhs, of course, there will be some plus fees you need to pay. So these seats, we have 142 seats. Particularly, a lot of seats are available at Sri Muthukumaran. 52 seats are available because this college has been added only in round 2. So all the seats are available. PSG, we know that additional seats had been offered in round 2. So that includes 24 seats. So these are the 2 colleges that have maximum number of seats. Then Indira Medical College has 12, KMCH 9, Mada also 9, Annapurna 7, Karpagam 5, Velammal and Karpaga Vinayaka has 4 each, Melmaruvattur, Tagore and Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan 3 each, Tiruchi SRM, Sri Moogambigai, Panimalar have 2 each, and CMC Velur also has 1 seat vacant. So for this 1 seat also, the counseling will be happening on 11 January 2 p.m. So generally, the seat would be taken up on 11 January, I believe. So that 1 seat is also included. So totally 142 seats are available under general management category. If you look at Malayalam minority, we have 1 Malayalam minority college, that is Sri Moogambiga, in which there is 1 seat available. Telugu minority, we have 5 colleges under Telugu minority, but only 4 colleges are offering the Telugu minority seats. Sri Muthukumaran, even though a Telugu minority, they are not offering any seats under Telugu minority. All the seats had been offered under general management. Now, if you look at here, the breakdown, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan has 34 seats available. Annapurna has 10 seats available. Karpagam has 1 seat. And Tiruchi SRM does not have any seats under Telugu minority. But there is a possibility that some candidates might be moving from Tiruchi SRM Telugu minority to maybe to some other college. In case if they make a move, then probably some vacancies might come up tomorrow. So it's only a chance, but I'm not sure. There may be some vacancies or there may not be any vacancies. But as of now, we have about 45 seats are available for Telugu minority candidates. And the major number of seats come from NRI lapsed. We have 207 seats available under NRI lapsed. So these are the seats offered at a higher fees. They are about 8 lakhs more than the general management category. While the general management category seats are offered at 12.5 plus plus, these seats are offered at 20.5 plus plus. So about 8 lakhs difference is there. So if you are interested, you can go for this, but take note that the fee structure is going to be extremely higher. But a lot of seats are available here. 207 seats are available. In addition, as I said, 38 seats are expected to be added after NRI counseling. So we will have about 245 seats available under NRI lapsed tomorrow. So where are the seats available? Almost all the colleges have a lot of seats. Indra, Tagore, Mada, all of them have 23 seats each. Dhanalakshmi, Srinivasan and Annapurna Salem have 22 each. Karpagam has 20. Melmaruvattur 19. Panimalar 16. Tiruchi SRM has 14. Karpaga Vinayaka has 12. Sri Moogambiga has 11. Velammal Medical College has 2. KMCH, there is no seats available. And even PSG, as of now, there is no NRI lapsed seats. And CMC Vellore, you know, there are no NRI seats there. So this is the breakdown, 207 seats available under NRI lapsed. If we add another 38 seats, we will have about 245 seats. So that's the status as of now, the number of seats available for management quota counseling. My best wishes to you. I see you soon in some other video. Bye-bye.